Hello everyone, this is Jacob with Nexus Property Management, bringing you guys to 82-84 Webster Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on the 2nd floor of the building. Now, before I begin the walkthrough, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. You can view this walkthrough at any time, as well as any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So, some of the features included with this apartment include one off-street parking spot. Pets are okay here with an additional fee. Coin-operated laundry located on-site. And a fresh coat of paint in the apartment, as well as nice hardwood flooring. So we're going to begin the walkthrough in the living room. As you can see, you got a first shot of the nice hardwood flooring. This is located in the living area as well as the bedrooms. And you can notice the nice fresh coat of paint throughout. Very nice. Gas baseboard heat and plenty of outlets. Very spacious in here. Should be able to fit plenty of furniture, no problem, as well as an entertainment system due to the outlets. And you get a nice shot of the street outside from your apartment. Very nice. And as stated before, you will be offered one off-street parking spot upon move-in. Awesome. Next up, we are going to look at the first bedroom. Now, all the bedrooms are basically the same size, medium-ish. Should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem. Once again, it has the hardwood flooring located in all 3 bedrooms. Fresh coat of paint, as you can see. The gas baseboard heat and plenty of outlets. And each bedroom does have their own closet space, of course, for any extra storage needed. Awesome. And once again, should be able to fit plenty of furniture in here, no problem, along with a standard size bed set. Should be no problem at all. Very nice. So next up, we are going to look at the kitchen area. Now, the kitchen and the bathroom feature tile flooring instead of the hardwoods. Once again, fresh coat of paint throughout the apartment, along with the gas baseboard heat. And the kitchen does include a large size refrigerator. And over here, it includes the doubled-in stainless steel sink. Plenty of cabinet space below and above, as you can see. And some nice countertop space over here. And right over here is the gas-powered stove, along with the exhaust fan above. Very nice. Plenty of room in this dining area. Should be able to fit a dining set, no problem at all. Awesome. And located over here is the bathroom. And obviously you can tell it has a different tile flooring from the kitchen. A little small, but obviously still has its necessities, including the full-size tub and shower. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package with all your shower amenities. And over here is the sink, some cabinet space below, and the mirror. Very nice. All right. Next up, I'm going to show you guys real quick the final 2 bedrooms. Once again, I should state that they are all the same size, feature hardwood flooring, gas baseboard heat, outlets, fresh paint, and should be able to fit a standard size bed in here, no problem. You can try a queen. I don't think it'll fit very well though. Definitely should stick with the standard size bed. And a nice closet space. Once again, I'd like to remind everybody that this apartment does allow pets, with an additional fee of course. And there is coin-operated laundry located on site. Awesome. And last up is the 3rd bedroom. Once again, hardwood flooring, gas baseboard heat, fresh paint, outlets, and the closet space. Very nice. Once again, should probably stick to the standard size bed, as you'll be able to fit plenty of furniture in here as well. Awesome. Alright, and once again, this is 82-84 Webster Street, Unit 2, located in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And I'd like to remind everybody once again to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. You can view this walkthrough at any time, as well as any other walkthroughs of any of our other listings, and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you.